Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Homemade brown sugar. Alright guys, I am out of brown sugar, so we're going to make our own. Right here I have 1 cup of just regular granulated sugar. We're going to make 2 cups. Right there, 2 cups in. So easy. If you have a molasses, this is what we use. You just use 1 tablespoon of molasses to 1 cup of sugar. If you want dark brown sugar, then you just add a little bit more molasses to it. So I have 2 cups in here. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of molasses. Woo. Make sure we get all that out of there. It smells so good when you're making brown sugar. And whenever you make it yourself, it just seems like it's more fluffier too. I do buy it now and then, but I have a 10-pound bag of sugar and I was out of brown sugar, so I was like, we're just going to show you how we make it. You can just use a fork and mix it all up if you want, but I'm just going to use my mixer here. I don't know if you can see this, how it's going here. Just mix it all up. To get all of those bits and stuff smashed up in there with the sugar, you can do it in a stand mixer, or you can just use your fork and do it, which is probably what I'll end up finishing it with. Alright, let's see. But here's what we got. You know, sometimes when you buy it, you get those little hard bits of molasses in there. So you just mix it all up like this. And guys, if you ever make it yourself, you'll be like, oh man, it smells so good.
It does smell good.
But that's how you make it. You just keep mixing those bits into that. And there we go. Brown sugar. Nice and fluffy.
Look how easy that was.
Yeah.
I didn't have any problem at all making that.
Quick. This is quick. And I'll just keep mixing that a little bit to get those bits mixed up into that sugar. But guys, so easy. I don't know why I even buy it ever, because I like this brown sugar much better.
So do I.
I don't know why I buy it, just because I'm there.
It makes everything else taste better when you make your own.
Yeah, it does. It's really good. All right, guys. So that's the end of this one. I think I got it pretty well all done up the way I want it.
Look at that. That's good.
So if you've ever made your own brown sugar, leave it below. Leave us a comment and let us know if you've made it and if you like it much better than the other. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow and hype. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.